More than 33 lakh people in Assam are facing floods right now. More than 76 people have lost their lives in these floods and landslide. Lakhs of people have lost their homes. Farmers have lost their crops. और यहाँ तक कि lakhs of animals have also been affected. यही नहीं, parts of Sikkim, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Bihar are also facing floods right now. हो सकता है इनके बारे में आपने सुना ही ना हो, और सुनेंगे भी कैसे. Headlines are occupied with VVIPs getting coronavirus, political dramas and cinematic encounters. But millions of people continue to suffer as we ignore this crisis. You can notice many people from the northeast trying to highlight this catastrophe that is unfolding on social media. And they are asking one single question. Why are we not talking about floods in India's northeast? So this video is for you to know what is happening in India's eastern and northeastern states. Situation is particularly grim in Assam. The state, which is already facing aftermath of Bagjan blowout, is now facing the second wave of floods this year. पिछले कई हफ्तों से असम में बिना रुके बारिश हो रही है और हर साल की तरह इस साल भी वहां पे हालात बहुत खराब हैं. Water levels in Brahmaputra and its tributaries are high, and Dhimaji in Upper Assam and Barpeta in Lower Assam are the worst hit areas in the state. This is Kaziranga National Park. 95% of Kaziranga National Park is inundated in flood water. Apart from elephants, tigers, hog deers and other animals, this is the biggest habitat of one-horned rhinos. यहाँ पिछले साल भी कुछ ऐसा ही सीन था. This is BJP MLA Mrinal Saikia in waist deep water who is rescuing people and livestock stranded in floods. This video has gone viral on social media and it shows कि हालात असम में कितने खराब हैं. सिचुएशन को ठीक से समझने के लिए असम स्टेट डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट अथॉरिटी की इस डेली रिपोर्ट को पढ़ते हैं. द फ्लड्स हैव सो फार अफेक्टेड 32,94,000 पीपल. देयर आर क्लोज टू 45,000 पीपल इन 517 रिलीफ कैंप्स. एनिमल्स पर फ्लड्स के इंपैक्ट की बात करें तो सिचुएशन उतनी ही खराब है. Over 13,46,000 big animals and over 6,65,000 small animals have been impacted in these floods. इन विजुअल से ही आपको इनके सफरिंग्स के बारे में पता चल जाएगा. खाली काजीरंगा नेशनल पार्क में 51 से ज्यादा एनिमल्स मर चुके हैं. Many of these animals are washed away every year. Every year we see these animals running for their lives, and every year these poachers take advantage of the situation to poach these vulnerable animals. But this year it is not only Assam but many other states are also facing wrath of nature. सिक्किम के ये विजुअल्स आपको हैरान कर देंगे. As you can see in this viral video, a 4-story building collapsed after heavy rainfall. लास्ट मंथ के एंड में भी सिक्किम में फ्लैश फ्लड्स आए थे, पर ये आकर वापस चले भी गए और शायद किसी ने नोटिस भी नहीं किया. द सेम गोज फॉर अरुणाचल प्रदेश. यहाँ भी फ्लड्स और लैंडस्लाइड से बुरा हाल है. In fact, on July 10th, landslide across the state killed 8 people. According to local reports, 4 members of a family, including an 8-month-old baby, were buried alive as a massive landslide hit their house. मेघालय का भी यही हाल है. At least 16,400 households with a population of 89,000 people have been affected by flash floods in 50 villages as the Brahmaputra river is overflowing. बिहार में अगर फ्लड्स की सिचुएशन देखोगे तो समझ में नहीं आएगा कि रोड कहाँ पर है और नदी कहाँ पर है. This is a school in Bhagalpur district which is being washed away after the floods. Look at this. This may look like a waterfall to you, but ये बारिश के बाद रोड का हाल है. According to one report, around 55,000 people have been affected and more than 10,000 houses have been washed away in Darbhanga alone. At least 10 rivers including Bagmati, Kamla, Gandak and Koshi are above danger level. Overall, the worst is far from over. हर साल यहाँ पर फ्लड्स आते हैं and every year it exposes the incompetency of the government to control the situation in time. But nature too isn't being very kind this year. According to weather forecast issued by Indian Meteorological Department, heavy to very heavy rainfall is expected between July 12th to 16th in Assam, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh and neighboring regions. और इन चीज़ों की टाइमिंग इसलिए भी खराब है बिकॉज वी आर इन द मिडल ऑफ अ पैंडेमिक राइट नाउ. कोरोना वायरस इज फोर्सिंग पीपल टू स्टे इंडोर्स whereas these floods are destroying people's houses. This virus is forcing people to maintain physical distancing, whereas the natural disasters are making people live in relief shelters without access to basic facilities. कई चीज़ें इनमें से शायद हमारे कंट्रोल से बाहर हैं, लेकिन एटलीस्ट हम इनके बारे में बात तो कर ही सकते हैं, इनके सफरिंग्स को हाईलाइट तो कर ही सकते हैं. ओनली देन वी विल नो व्हाट आवर फेलो इंडियंस आर गोइंग थ्रू. दिस डिजर्व्स टू बी हाईलाइटेड. That's all for now. If you like this video, do not forget to drop in a like and subscribe to India Times.